everyone. My name is An Xihyun. My English name is Jack. I'm from Korea. I came to the Philippines to study English. I study English at PAI and international school. I study English with my friends. I I'm very I felt very happy because I study English with Filipino friends. My favorite international my favorite experience is wakeboarding. I like wakeboarding because it was very exciting and fun. I had great time wakeboarding and playing with my friends. Thank you to teacher for helping me uh, learn English, and thank you to Filipino friends for making special memories with me. Thanks Filipino people to for being so kind. I also thank my Korean friends with for make fun memories with me. When I can find time, I visit again. Thank you.